Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the size of your irises on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the camera icon to take a picture or to the library button to select a photo from your gallery. Then click on the retouch button down below and slide to the right side of the screen until you find the iris section. So tap on it, and after that you should use this slider to adjust the size. And here you can see how it changes, how your iris changes. So if you zoom in more, you can see the difference more easily. So tap on the check mark icon down below to save your changes, and then you can upload your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.